view, create order, and here you put the link, the quantity, and they will put the church. So let's look for a random account in Instagram, for example this one, Jack Anton, I don't know. Let's see the followers. Okay, doesn't change. So we copy the link, we go here, paste the link, and we put the quantity 100 and submit. Now the order is received. So now we just have to wait until they start arriving. They usually take less than 5 minutes, but well, I don't know. It's gonna refresh. I'm gonna make a cut, and then when they start arriving, I'm gonna show you guys. So they started to arrive, the followers. As you can see, they are going up. I don't remember how many followers he had, but well, as you can see, we're refreshing and they still going up.